So if you're a subscriber, what go on? In this one, we go talk on JahShii. Yeah man, the entertainer got himself in some trouble and we have to touch on the topic. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, relax, and we could get right into it.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
Jaja, be a subscriber. Right now, I don't know where to go take for these people to learn and just pre-better, pre-life different. You see me? JahShii got himself in some trouble. JahShii name get called up in the media. And I not talk when you do good. I mean, them a call up the entertainer name for a murder. Yeah, you know that's not a good look. So, I'm going to read the article and I can have a better understanding of what's going on. But, yo, this is not a good look. So, I'm give you my honest opinion after I read it. And you can make me know what you think about it. You see me? But, as I say, I don't know where to take for these entertainers to learn. I really don't know. Is either you the badness or you the music. I have to choose. I cannot do two. As in, and I think JahShii actually said that. So, just let me know what you think. Alright, so this says, the police are seeking dialogue with dancehall artist JahShii after the entertainer's name was linked to a murder committed in the community of Grand Spence, St. Andrew on June the 7th. The dead man was identified as 45-year-old businessman Omar Wright, otherwise called Romy. Wright is the brother of an alleged Don from the area. Nationwide News understand that Wright was killed on Sherwood Road about 10:40 p.m., hours after an alleged altercation between himself and JahShii's mother. The rumors are that Wright and JahShii's mom got into a verbal and physical dispute where he alleged threw water in her face. Wright was alleged confronted by JahShii hours later and a quarrel report ensued. The police says Armen later confronted Wright at his business place where he was shot several times. It's rumored that Wright's brother, who lives overseas, had vowed to avenge his death. So if you're a subscriber, there you have it. JahShii is wanted for murder. And I'm not going to say him do it. And I'm not going to say I know him. You see me? But you know the police them now going to stop till them get him. Until them put him behind bars. And right now I don't even know. It's like the man them now think them now use them head. I swear. Because see the man overseas say he might go avenge his brother death. And you know say a bag of things are going to go on. Worse, JahShii mother sell soup on the roadside or wherever. A bag of things are going on. The police them now stop till them get JahShii and put him behind bars. And I don't know, the man them now meds, brother. The man them now pre life and pre what really are gone. Right, alleged brother say him now go stop till him get revenge. And yo, that means anybody them catch with JahShii, them are dash away. Doesn't matter who. Brother, the man them need to think. If you're not an artist, big man. And I know say a disrespect. In disrespect your mother. You see me? But brother, right now if you get locked up, how you go? Your people them go unsafe because at the end of the day, a target is on their head. You see me? So you don't look good on JahShii side. I don't know why man them think. I don't know why them not just mess the music and take themselves from out of the ghetto. You see me? As me say, me understand, say yo, a disrespect. And that's your mother, you see me? But on after pre-life, bro. You can't just a pre-life one way where if somebody diss you, a straight death. You see me? I rate JahShii and I rate his songs. JahShii is a very talented youth. JahShii shouldn't make himself rich in this situation. JahShii, you say you're a ghetto youth, hero. Are you the ghetto youth them look up to? And look where you put yourself, big man. Look for the situation you put yourself in. Sometimes, brother, you need to think before you act. You can't just say, oh, somebody this one, so you need to go dash them. No, brother. At the end of the day, you're not going to be behind bars. Can't even see light or day so easy. You see me? You have to think, brother. JahShii, that's your career right there, so. Look how much artists out there look up to you. Look how much legends they were there in the game for a long time look up to you. You see me? And when them go see this on news and now, them might just shake them head and say, watch there. You see me? Them might just shake them head. So you have to know what you do. It's either you do the music or you do the badness. It's either you go sing about badness, but on the other hand, you know say yo, it's just a song. But brother, you have to know what you're doing in the streets because the government want to know. Them want to know, brother. They want to see you all on the line up behind bars, bro. Look what them do to Vibes Cartel and have to learn, big man. Big up to ASAP BG. Me hear that from him. You have to learn, bro. Just like what them do to Vibes Cartel and have to look on it and learn and say, yo, you can't make them they something they reach, you know. Big up to Vibes Cartel, see him, you see me? But viewer subscriber, when you get to me and say, JahShii is not a good look. Right now, anybody in a JahShii family have a target on them back. And JahShii have to know who you are par with. You have to know who they around you. You can't have them man they way quick for bust head. They around you. No. Them man they can't they around you. You can't say them they're your friend, big man. So if you subscribe and can make me know think about that. That's my honest opinion on it. And I would love to hear what Uno have to say on it, you see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. Respect all of you. Love the support and yeah man. 4K Shala Energy as always. I'm out.
Them a kill you all when you try save them. See the goal and one cut the chain neck. I can go never raise in a same pen dog.